Snow Survivor Day 1, the blizzard. A giant blizzard has hit Warnell. Nobody knows what to do. Non-stop. It will crave to cover every single thing. Every single one. Even the plants. And trees. And houses. Some people, just shovel their driveway. No need. I don't know what he's doing. So, the landscape is very bleak. And there needs to be some life. But everything's in hibernation. Just look at that snow blow. Just look at it blow. Every single thing covered in snow. Well, almost. Except the chipmunks, their tiny burrows under the ground. But you can see those. Even the houses are covered. Even the plants. Even though they're under... excuse me, go up a little. Even though they're under a roof. Well, a little shade. You'll see this in a minute. Yeah, just look at them, covered in snow. Just look. Even when they're under this little cover. That's just weird. Has to do with the wind and stuff. He's still doing it. Still shoveling the driveway. Sidewalk. Does he even have any idea how intense the weather is? He seriously doesn't know how intense this weather is. It's so tense. The kids have no trouble surviving this blizzard because they have entertainment. But some entertainment does not work. Oh, this one's working. He's interested in this entertainment, so he does not have to worry about what is outside or what is happening. All he has to worry about is what he's doing. Well, he just doesn't have to worry about much of anything. There's a blizzard like this. Sometimes, well, he really doesn't. All he's worrying about if he wins this game or not. Uh-oh. Oopsies. Those guys are gone. Whoop. And then, when he was frowning, now he smiles a bit. He's not just watching TV, he's playing a video game. Listen, he controls the characters like that. And he uses Z to force stuff. Like that. It's so simple. All you have to do is know how to play the game. And then he can also attack while he's doing it. The parents have known this warm weather. And this kind of parent has a leak in their cooling system. So they use these blankets. Oh, wait. See that little thing there? That's the leak. So they use these blankets to secure the leak and make sure it does not come through. But we have a defense. A good defense, also known as the heater. We will show you a picture of that in a little bit. Oh, and see those cracks? Make sure that every single one of those is sealed, or else you're in for a cold winter in your house. Oh, and here's our defense. The heater. With its design mechanism, it's able to, what does the heater do again? Oh yeah, flows cool air through those vents to make sure that these do not get through. And it gets very warm in this household. But sometimes a little too warm. Then they turn the heater on cold, but I don't think you want to do that. Buy extra marshmallows for hot chocolate. There you go. Make sure to buy extra food for this winter crisis, or might as well perish and die. Make sure you have water, shelter, and food, the basics. But if you're packed crammed full of all this stuff, you might barely survive, or you will survive. That's the question. If you don't, I don't think you will survive. If you do, you probably will. And once you get all the stuff, you can exactly make it through this winter crisis. That's why all the things are crammed. So, make sure to get your foods early. Go to the store like 3 times once you get the weather report that says, please put food, water, and a shovel. Some people also go to work, and they make magnificent things. Like, still some people go to work. But their work might be making cakes, like these people. They still go and make cakes. But I don't know why. Watch a lot of news. Blah, blah, blah,
blah, blah, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah.
More coverage of the historic blizzard of 2011 coming up.
Bum bum ba da ba da da bum 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 ba da ba da bum 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 bum. See